In this practical lab, we'll take a look to the access list configuration. We have 2 routers, 2 switches, and 2 PCs in our lab. In the first step, lab is saying that configure PC1 and PC2 with proper default gateways. Okay. And for the second step, we need to configure an extended access list and provide that PC1 can't reach the FTP, Telnet, and HTTP ports of PC2. And we should also allow for any other traffic. Alright, let's go. So what I need to do is, first we need to configure PC1 and PC2 with proper default gateways. As you can see that in the figure, PC1's default gateway is here. So I should use this IP address for PC1's gateway, and I should use 2.1 as the default gateway of the PC2. Let's go to the packet tracer. Packet tracer time. Oh, you go. I need to close this so you can focus better. Okay. I'm going to the first PC and checking the IP configuration. And my default gateway will be 1.1. And I'm going to the second desktop IP config 2.1. Oh, 2.6, no, no, 2.1. All right. I accomplished my first step, and let's take a look to the second step now. In the second step, I need to configure an extended access list and provide that PC1 can't reach the FTP, Telnet, and HTTP ports of PC2. So PC1 is my source, PC2 is my destination. As you can remember from our sessions, extended access lists are written to the closest router to our source. So I'm gonna configure an ACL on router 1, which blocks the traffic for FTP, Telnet, and HTTP protocols coming from PC1 and destined to PC2. Alright, let's go. I'm going into the router 1. Enable first, right? Conf, and let's configure our access list. Access list, I'm gonna use a question mark. As you can see that we have different ranges that we can use for standard or extended access list. Because of I'm gonna use extended access list, I'll use this range and this number. Alright. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna deny some traffics, right? Deny My protocols are working TCP, so I'm gonna deny the TCP traffic. Another question mark. So the first thing is I need to write my host address for source address. Okay, I'm defining my source address. I can use the IP address of my PC and with a wildcard of 0000, but instead of this I can use just host command, which is easier. Okay, TCP host, what is the IP address of my source? 1041.15, 1041.15. Okay, and another question mark. I need to define my destination address too. My destination IP address is a single host again, 1041.26, host 1041.26, pretty cool. And I'm gonna match a given port number using the EQ equivalent command, EQ, and I have another question mark. I can define the port numbers by using these numbers, or I can use the names of the protocols as well. For simplicity, I'm gonna use the typing the protocol names. I'm gonna deny FTP, I'm gonna deny Telnet, and I'm gonna deny HTTP, which means www. Okay, pretty cool. The next step is I need to permit any other traffic. Okay, because in my ACL I should write at least one permit statement. Please remember that. Okay, access list 100, permit IP any, permit any IP traffic. Okay, I'm permitting anything other than I denied above. Okay, that's cool, but mission is not accomplished. I created my access list correctly, but I need to implement my access list to the related interface from inbound or outbound. In here, I'm denying the traffic of PC1, so I can implement my ACL to this interface inbound. While packets coming from this PC to this interface, Fast Ethernet 01, I will block this traffic. Okay, now I need to go to the Fast Ethernet 01, Fast 01 interface, Fast 01, and I'm using IP access group, the number of my ACL, and in or out. In this scenario, I'm gonna use a inbound. Okay, pretty cool. I can verify my configuration using show access list command, and I can take a brief look to what I'm denying and what I'm permitting for, and that's it. Okay, we have completed our configuration lab and everything was fine. Thanks for viewing. See you in the next session, guys.